Ooh, today I am eating healthy. Look at that. We are eating salad. Get on your salad, guys. This is what's up. Looks like something I would eat. Bon appetit. This is fire. Guess what I'm eating with it? I'm eating my veggies, and I made some potato. Let's see what it tastes like. Avocado is versatile, and this is hot. This is fire. You can't beat this combo. My God. Jabala tulisanza mukon jabala. This is my plantain. Everything is air fried because why not? The best gonja you will ever have. No oil, no gimmicks. We are healthy today. Look to the right. By the way, happy Juneteenth to you all. It's always a good day to celebrate. We always celebrate beautiful milestones. It's been 60 years, and it's amazing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is good for your heart. I'm listening to Ghana boys, and they sound like what I expect, for sure. Man. Air fried potatoes are the best. Look at that. Amen. This beats chicken any day. It does. Jabalan, jabalan. Bakal bayi aku.